I need to prep my edges, so...
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. I would love for you to stick around, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so I'm actually really excited to be filming this video today with no makeup and a dead braid out. Before I came on, I said, okay, I definitely need to wash my hair, so I'm going to do that. I'm gonna style it and then I'm gonna film. And then I said, well, why don't I just film the realness? I'm gonna take you on a quick tour of a bad hair day, and then I'm gonna show you what I do to remediate this issue until I can wash my hair. As you can see, like, it's just kind of wild and free. This is an old braid out. I had the braids in for like a week and then I took it down. It didn't really turn out how I wanted it to. The truth is, my locks are not perfect and I don't even try to pretend like they are. My roots are... Bruh. I can't believe I'm actually showing this on camera because I do get a little self-conscious about my hair sometimes, especially my edges, but I'm just like, you know, forget it. I'm gonna just come on and show you. If you don't like it, you don't like it. The last time I washed my hair was 3 weeks ago, and to be fair, I didn't do a 100% perfect retwist. I did a very loose, very casual one. So at this point, you can see that it's all just unraveling. The crown has just seen better days. As you can see, I'm losing a lot of my parts. My edges are just extra dry. It's so hard to keep my hair moisturized in general. My edges have never been dense and full as long as I can remember. It's also very itchy, which is a dead giveaway that it's time to wash my hair. My dandruff can get way, way, way worse. If I really started scratching this up, you would need some safety goggles because there would be a lot of fallout. You can also see some loose hair at the base where it's not fully locked. And yeah, it's just time to get this together. So I'm not going out for several hours. I actually have a 9:45 dinner reservation because that was all we could get. I need to prep my edges so that way they will look a little bit better. So I have a little spray bottle that I'm gonna use because that always helps me get a better handle on my edges. Just a little bit. And I have this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, so I'm just gonna put some of that on. I'm only using this because my nephew left it at my house over the summer. It is not really a product for 4C edges. It's just very light, and I like that for my locks because it doesn't lead to buildup. I have type 4Z, 4 Zeta hair. These edges are not gonna be laid and slayed. However, I can still, I can still get them to look fairly neat. I have my favorite triangle scarf, which helps me lay my hair down flat. I really like it when my hair is straight. I have about 4.5 hours till I have to leave. I think there's gonna be enough time for these edges to look mostly decent. I don't expect them to stay, especially since it's humid, it's raining, all that, so they ain't gonna stay. So I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to get ready and I will show you how I style it. Alright, so I'm back and I did a really simple face and now I'm ready to see what is going on up under here. So let's see. I got some layage, not really any slayage, but that's okay. So whole goal was just to get everything a lot neater, and I feel like it is neater, so mission accomplished. Now I'm just gonna do a really quick, simple style. I got some frizz up there, but I don't really care because I'm just going to dinner and that's it. So I'm gonna show you. So this is a very easy style that you can do in the morning before work. I like to take chunks of locks from either side and place them one over the other, alternating. It's like a basket weave shoelacing type of technique. So I do this until about the bottom of my ears, and I secure it with an extra large hair tie, because that's the only way I'm going to fit all that hair in there. And that is it. I usually like to clean up my kitchen area in the back, but I haven't. But yeah, this took me about 60 seconds. I'm going to put my scarf back on just to smooth out the rest of that frizz. But this is what I'm doing, just a simple style. It's not perfect, but that honestly doesn't bother me. I'm comfortable with it. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.